Good morning, this is Explore Hong Kong in Central now, showing to you the Cenotaph, built in 1923 to commemorate the fallen soldiers in World War I and World War II in Hong Kong. And for today is the Poppy Day in Hong Kong that you can find volunteers giving out the poppies all around Hong Kong islands. And let's see how Hong Kong is like today. We arrived at Central at around 11 o'clock today, and you'll be able to find children, volunteers, and also ex-servicemen holding the fundraising bag and giving out the poppies. And we're very lucky to be able to talk to one of the ex-servicemen, and it's always great to know more about the history of Hong Kong. So just now, he told us that there is still around 6,000 to 7,000 ex-servicemen in Hong Kong. And there's also one reason why the leaves of the poppies was facing in this angle. It is to symbolize that the armistice was signed on the 11 hours on the 11th day of November. In Hong Kong, the Remembrance Day is held every year on the second Sunday of November. For this year, that's tomorrow, the 14th of November. It is organized by the Royal British Legion's Hong Kong and China branch and held every year at the Cenotaph in Central. So here, showing to you the Cenotaph, built in 1923 to commemorate the fallen soldiers in World War I and World War II in Hong Kong, and it is a replica of the one on Whitehall in London. So we also hope to see you tomorrow at the Cenotaph during the ceremony at 10:45 a.m. in the morning. So we hope that you enjoy this short trip with us. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.